Hi, I'm Maki of Tsubame Limousine. Today I'm visiting Miyajima Island. It's one of three the most scenic places in Japan.
The island has a long history and long been regarded as an island of gods. Main attraction of the island is Itsukushima Shrine and its great Otorii gate. You might eventually witness an event of Shinto or wedding ceremony. These are sake barrels. Those local made sake was given as offerings to the god of Shinto. We were greeted by a friendly fugu fish. Don't miss out this beautiful Shinden-style architecture known as a floating shrine. This is a Daiganji temple. It's the temple's symbolic 9-trunk pine tree planted by first Prime Minister of Japan. This is a Daishoin temple. It's one of the most important and popular temples of the island. These are 500 statues of Jizo, and they have a different facial figure and expression. If you wish, you can experience Shikoku Pilgrimage Grand Tour in 5 minutes. And they have more Jizo and more temples. This is a 5-story pagoda where Buddha of medicine is enshrined. And this one is a Senjokaku temple. This is a popular vacation destination. You'll see treasure awaiting for you to explore. You can simply hang out for a day, or experience something new at one of the most important temples. There are lots more places to visit in Hiroshima. If you will be in the city for the first time, using our service makes every destination more enjoyable. We provide the best transportation service with affordable rates and professional drivers. And we also provide English-speaking driver guide upon your request. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to seeing you here in Hiroshima. Bye!
つばめ交通